in GK book, Desert Talks. Okay, so what is a desert? Desert is an arid area which with sparse or no vegetation. Sparse means very less vegetation. Okay, the soil is poor and many deserts include areas of shifting sands. Desert can be either hot or cold. दो टाइप्स के डेजर्ट होते हैं, हॉट डेजर्ट एंड कोल्ड डेजर्ट. Some statements about deserts are given below. Complete them with the help of clues. So I'll be reading out some of the questions, okay, and then rest you'll be filling it on your own, and you will learn all the questions, okay, so that you can perform well in your examination. Clear? The first question is, so let me read the answers in the clue box. First of all, humus, Sonoran, Atacama, Europe, fossils, evaporation, winds, sandstorms, Gobi 15%, Sahara, sand, driest 1/3, snow, Death Valley, daytime 14 degrees Celsius, and Al Dahna. Okay, so these were the answers in the clue boxes. Sorry, in the clue box. Now, the first question: Dash is the continent which has no deserts. So, what is the answer? The answer will be Europe. Now come to question number 4. The dash is the desert in South America. It is a coastal desert. So what is the answer of this particular question? Okay, which desert in South America has it is coastal desert? So the answer will be Atacama. Precipitation in the cold deserts is in the form of, cold desert में कैसे precipitation होती है, किस फॉर्म में होती है? Okay, so precipitation is in the form of snow. Clear? Now, deserts occupy about dash of the total surface area of the earth. तो कितना परसेंट जो है वो ऑक्यूपाई करती है अर्थ सर्फेस का? यस, एनी क्लू? 1/3. ओके, 1/3 ऑफ द अर्थ सर्फेस जो है वो डेजर्ट है. नाउ come to question number 12. The action of dash creates the maximum impact on a desert. So किस चीज़ का एक्शन? विंड का. ओके, विंड की वजह से ही, कैसे विंड की वजह से सैंड जो है वन प्लेस टू अदर प्लेस वो क्या होते हैं? ट्रांसपोर्ट होते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. डेथ वैली इज फुल ऑफ डैश ऑफ एंशियंट एराज. तो डेथ वैली जो है वो किस चीज़ से भरा हुआ है? फॉसिल्स. What are fossils? Fossils are the remains of dead plants and animals. Clear? जो इसलिए इस पर्टिकुलर डेजर्ट का नाम क्या रखा गया है? डेथ वैली. क्लियर? नाउ कम टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. The dash desert of the American Southwest has the most complex desert vegetation on earth. So what will be the answer of this particular question, children? The answer will be Sonoran. Okay, Sonoran desert of the American Southwest has the most complex desert vegetation on earth. So this was all about chapter number 46. You will write all the answers of all the questions. Okay, now come to the next chapter, that is chapter number 51. Chapter number 51 is Saptak. Okay, Saptak denotes the set of 7 notes, swaras, that is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, again sa reverse. Okay, so this is what? This is Saptak. Clear? आपने सुना ही होगा मूवीज़ में या फिर सॉन्ग्स में ऐसे गाया जाता है या फिर ऐसे सिखलाया जाता है अगर आप म्यूज़िक क्लास लेते हो तो. क्लियर? इफ़ यू माइट बी टेकिंग म्यूज़िक क्लास तो ऐसे ही बतलाया जाता है. So the very first question, name the Hindu god who is also called the Lord of Dance. लॉर्ड ऑफ डांस की जो फोटो है वो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे. ओके, लॉर्ड शिवा जो डांसिंग फॉर्म में उनका पोज रहता है. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर दिस गॉड जो डांसिंग फॉर्म में लॉर्ड ऑफ डांस उनको बोलते हो तो आंसर विल बी नटराज. ओके, दैट इज लॉर्ड शिवा को नटराज बोलते हैं. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, अकबर द ग्रेट वॉज नोन फॉर हिज कीन इंटरेस्ट in art and music. Name the famous musician, one of the 9 gems in his court. So answer will be Tansen. Clear? विच अवार्ड डिड पंडित रविशंकर रिसीव इन 1998? कौन सा अवार्ड उन्हें मिला? भारत रत्न. नाउ come to question number 7. What is a set of 7 or 11 bowls filled with water or at different levels called? उसको क्या बोलते हैं? We call it as जल तरंग. Clear? It's called as जल तरंग. Come to question number 10. Question number 10 is, if ताल is a rhythm form, then what is raga? राग किसको बोलते हैं? तो राग is a form of melody. Clear? Now come to question number 15. Who was the music composer of Ram Dhun Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram? Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram is a famous song. Okay, तो who is the composer? किस म्यूजिशियन ने, किस सिंगर ने इस सॉन्ग को कंपोज किया था? तो विष्णु दिगंबर पलुष्कर. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 19. What are the full names of Shiv Hari, who composed the music of Yash Chopra's film Silsila? So what is the full name? Shiv Kumar Sharma and Hari Prasad Chaurasia. The last question. Which Indian classical instrument has 100 strings? वैसे कौन सी म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जिसमें 100 स्ट्रिंग्स होते हैं, तार होते हैं? तो आंसर विल बी संतूर. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट चैप्टर नंबर 51. फिल ऑल द आंसर्स एंड लर्न इट प्रॉपरली. क्लियर? एंड प्लीज राइट द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग फ्रॉम द क्लू बॉक्स. डू नॉट राइट द रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट इज चैप्टर नंबर 52. Chapter number 52 is all about dance time. Okay, the famous dancers like Uday Shankar, Rukmani Devi. Then you have dance form Kathakali, again a famous dancer Birju Maharaj. Again a dance form Odissi, again a dancer Sitara Devi. Okay, now there are 3 options given in each question. So you will just tick the most appropriate and right answer option, okay, in each question. First question, who was the first Indian dancer to perform abroad? Okay, so answer is Uday Shankar. Now come to the next question, question number 6. Who choreographed the dance drama Radha Krishna with the Russian ballerina Anna Pavlova? So the answer of this question is Uday Shankar again. Clear? Now let's move to the next question, question number 9. Which is the first Indian book on dancing? First Indian book on dancing कौन सी आई थी हमारी? So the answer of question number 9 is Natya Shastra. Okay, Natya Shastra. Now come to the next question, question number 11. Who choreographed the first full-length dance drama dedicated to the memory of Nawab Wazid Ali Shah of Awadh? So the answer of this particular question is Birju Maharaj. Birju Maharaj is a famous dancer, you can say. Okay, was a famous dancer. The first Academy of India for Performing Arts was Sangeet Natak Academy. Where was it set up? Sorry, when was it set up? Which date? In which date? Which year was it set up? It was set up in 1953. Okay, so this chapter is very, very interesting and you will love to learn. You will enjoy this chapter in learning. So please do learn this chapter. Now let's move to the next chapter. Okay, let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 50. So earlier it was chapter number 52, 51 we have discussed, 52 we have discussed. Then let's move to chapter number 53, that is raga. So we had already discussed what is raga. Raga is a form of melody. Okay. Sorry. Yes. Now raga are the melodic notes used in Indian classical music. Raga is the modern Hindi pronunciation Okay, so which raga was discovered by Tansen's son and has been named after him? So what is the answer? The answer is Bilakshini Todi. Okay, the answer is Bilakshini Todi. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Name the Hindustani raga which is devoted to Lord Shiva. It is the counterpart of the Carnatic Todi raga. So what will be the answer? The answer will be Bhairav. Okay, come to the next question. Next question is question number 6. Name the raga which is a derivative of the Kamoj. Kamoj, it can be sung anytime between evening and midnight. So what is the name of this raga? The name of this raga is Desh. Okay, now come to question number 11. Name the raga which is performed with the first light of the sun. It reflects the different moods of joy, peace and pathos. So what is the answer of this particular question? The answer will be Ahir Bhairav. Okay. Last question. Which evening raga derived from Carnatic Hemavati raga depicts the mood of love? So the answer will be Saraswati. Okay. So this was all about this chapter raga. Fill all the answers. I am telling you people again and again, fill all the answers, learn the chapters, whatever has been given in the syllabus. So that you won't feel like cheating. When do you feel like cheating? When you have not learned, when you have not prepared yourself for the test or examination. If you already learn and you sit for your examination or test, you feel yourself to be very confident. Okay, clear? So therefore I am saying you again and again that please learn the chapters. Clear? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 58. Chapter number 58 is all about population. Clear? It is all about population. In this chapter, the total number of people living in a country is termed as its population. This we all know, Jansankhya. Okay. India supports about 16.94% of the total population of the world. Answer the following questions with the help of clues. So where did the earliest racial groups of India survive? Okay, so what will be the answer? The answer will be hilly and forested tracts. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Which Indian state which were we children? Question number 5. Which state of India has the highest population density? So the answer of question number 5 will be West Bengal. Clear? Now let's move to the next question. The next question is question number 9. Name the most populated city of India. The most populated city of India is which city? It's Mumbai. Clear? Now come to the next question. Question number 15. What is the population density of India? So this particular question the answer may vary. Okay, let's move to the next question. Which city has the second largest metropolitan area in terms of population? So what will be the answer? The answer will be Kolkata. The last question. What is the literacy rate of India as per the 2001 census? 2001 के census के according literacy rate क्या है India की? So the literacy rate of India is 64.84%. Clear? So this was all about question number 58. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Next chapter, that is chapter number 60, Indian economy. So Indian economy, what is economy? Economy, when the term economy comes, it is always related to finances and the money. Okay. Traditionally, who is the chairman of the Planning Commission of India? So who is the Planning Commission of India, children? Planning Commission of India is Prime Minister. Okay. Now, yes, Prime Minister. Now let's move to the next question. What is the observation in economics that bad money derives out good money, popularly called? So what is the observation? Yes, what is it all about? So it's what? What is it? It's Gresham's law. Okay. Now, question number 7. Yogeshman Vahamyaham, or your welfare is our responsibility, is the motto of which Indian organization? So it is motto of Life Insurance Corporation of India. Okay. Come to question number 11. Who was the Prime Minister of India at the time of nationalization of banks? जब banks nationalize हो रहे थे तो उस time उस दौरान कौन हमारे Prime Minister थे? तो she was Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was our Prime Minister at that time. Clear? What is the question number 16? What is the general rise in price level or fall in value of money called? So what is it called? It is called as inflation. Okay, inflation, deflation, clear? Inflation जब मनी का जो लेवल बढ़ता है या फिर घटता है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? It is inflation. Okay. So what is a market dominated by a single buyer, popularly called? So it is termed as monopsony. Okay. So this is all about chapter number 60, that is Indian economy. So you will just write the answers of all the chapters, okay, and you will learn it and get yourself prepared for the examination, final examination. After this you all will go to the next class. Okay, so go with the flying marks, flying colors of nice marks. Okay children, so that's all for today. Thank you children.